fermentation process. What is fermentation? The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. So we can define fermentation as the process which converts the sugar into alcohol. And who discovered fermentation? Fermentation was discovered by Louis Pasteur in the year 1857. Dilute solution of acetic acid is called vinegar. So what is the dilute solution of acetic acid called? The dilute acid or the dilute acetic acid solution is called vinegar. How the acetic acid is prepared? Bacteria turns alcohol into acetic acid. So by the action of bacteria on alcohol, it converts alcohol into acetic acid. And the first, or in good olden days, alcohol is made using yeast, and the acetobacter bacteria are added to the alcohol and air is bubbled through it. Coming to the concept, alcohol were first used or prepared by using yeast. How alcohol is made? Alcohol is made using yeast, and then the bacteria called acetobacter are added to the alcohol and air is bubbled through it to prepare alcohol. In the presence of oxygen, bacteria converts alcohol into acetic acid. As I have mentioned earlier that bacteria turns alcohol into acetic acid. How? So if we ask the question how bacteria converts alcohol into acetic acid, we can say that by the action of bacteria on alcohol in the presence of oxygen. If oxygen is present and if bacteria acts on alcohol, it converts alcohol into acetic acid. There is an activity to observe how fermentation occurs. So this is a very small activity which we can do at our home also. So coming to the activity, what is the activity? What are the requirements we need for doing this activity? Is take 500 ml of beaker filled with 3/4 of water and dissolve 2 to 3 spoons of sugar in it. So what we need? We need a beaker, we need water, and we need sugar and yeast also. So take 500 ml beaker, fill it with 3/4 of water and dissolve 2 to 3 spoons of sugar in it, and then add half spoon of yeast powder to the sugar solution. As we have made the sugar solution and now we are using yeast powder and we will add in it, and we will keep it covered in a warm place for 4 to 5 hours. We can see the image here. So this is the apparatus which we can do, taking 500 ml of beaker and filling it with 3/4 of water, mixing it with sugar. So we will get sugar solution, and then to the sugar solution we will add a half spoon of yeast powder and we will close it and we will cover it and keep it in warm place for 4 to 5 hours. And then after 4 to 5 hours of covering it in a warm place, now we will open the cover of the beaker and now we will smell the solution. We will get authentic smell which is of alcohol. This is the smell of alcohol. Sugar has been converted into alcohol by the action of yeast. So the smell which we observe after opening the beaker, we feel the smell that is called as alcohol, as sugar is being converted into alcohol by the action of yeast. So now we have done an activity for fermentation. This is the important activity. It will come for 2 mark question. So how to observe an activity for fermentation? In this activity, we need 500 ml of beaker, 500 ml beaker and it is filled with 3/4 of water and sugar solution. We will take 500 ml beaker, water and sugar in order to make sugar solution, and then we will add yeast to it and then we will mix it thoroughly and keep it closed by closing the lid of the beaker for 4 to 5 hours, and then we will smell the solution. We will feel a smell. That smell is nothing but alcohol. This is how we can test an activity for understanding the action of yeast on sugar, and it is also called as fermentation activity.